Remove oil level filler cap. Fill with oil. The oil level should be to the top of the oil filler neck. Connecting the battery terminals. Connect the red positive cable to the positive battery terminal first, then connect the black negative to the negative terminal. Remove the fuel tank cap and fill with diesel. Check the fuel level gauge. The red area indicates the fuel level. Always keep at least 30% full. On first start, or if you run out of diesel, it may be necessary to bleed the fuel system. To do this, loosen the clip and remove pipe from injector pump. Allow fuel to flow into a container until all air is removed. Switch off the circuit breaker. Rotate the emergency stop button clockwise to on. Ensure the control handle is in the run position. Insert the key. First turn to the I position. Then turn the key clockwise until the generator starts. Each start time should not exceed 5 seconds. Wait for 3 minutes after 3 unsuccessful start attempts to prevent the starter motor from overheating. Before connecting the load, plug to the load socket. Then switch the circuit breaker on. Switch the circuit breaker off before stopping the generator. Remove the plug. After the generator has been running without load for 3 minutes, turn the key to O position to stop generator.